Finally down for breakfast. Uh-uh. Oh my goodness, finally I made it home. I am so happy. So happy to be home. I was supposed to be home yesterday, but due to cancellation, I'm home today. And it's still bright outside. It's like 3 p.m. Hallelujah, I am home. Thank God I am home. It's really nice outside. I wonder if I should do a photo shoot since it's super nice outside. Or should I do tomorrow? So I'm off for like a few days. I think I probably may do the photo shoot tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna do anything extra today. I just feel tired. My body's just so drained, man. It's draining. I got some stuff here. Ooh, today's what date? My package should already be here. I have to go down. Let me go downstairs because I have a pack. It's actually from Walmart. It's a mattress that I bought from Walmart, and I'm hoping it's really, really good. I didn't spend a lot of money on it. It was on sale, so I'm hoping it's good so I can put it on my day bed because I'm having visitors next month. My family members are coming in town next month, so I'm gonna go downstairs and see if they have my package because Walmart, you better be good, okay, when it comes to mattress, because you know it's like a hit or miss. So I'm gonna do that. And I bought some crab legs at the grocery store. I think I'm gonna prepare it and just that's what I'm gonna eat for tonight. Crab legs. I mean, not for tonight, but I'll say lunch because I ate breakfast at the hotel this morning, so I'm just gonna eat that for lunch and then probably prepare something else later tonight. But okay guys, so this is the package I received. This 6-inch gel memory foam mattress. This is a twin size and I ordered from Walmart. So this is the IKEA mattress that I have. This can turn into a queen size and also a regular twin. Right now I have it a little bit, I have it full size because I had a blow up bed on it. Like this, that's a blow up bed. I had it on there because I had visitors. So I let him stay on it. So I'm gonna put this in. This has 3 large storage area underneath, which is really good for me. So I'm gonna put the foam mattress on the bed and let it stay there for a few days. Some people said in the comment that it stayed there for a week, 2 weeks before you get the full 6 inches. So since nobody using this area, I'm just gonna put it on there and we're gonna see how it turned out or how comfortable it is in a few days. So I just pushed the bed up to a twin size before it was a full size. I didn't take it out to be a queen size because it's just heavy on the carpet. Because my hands are dirty and this is completely white. It's well wrapped, guys, well wrapped. It comes with instruction. Oh, it also comes with a little thing for the plastic. See. Oh, there we go. It's actually easier. So I'm not sure which side is looking at. This side? This side? All right, there she is. So I was showing you guys earlier that it comes with a covering. There's a zipper here that you can take it off and wash it. The covering of it. But this is how she is right here. And then later on I'm gonna put some pillows and stuff over here. I'm gonna also put another thing over there. But for now, I needed to inflate to 6 inches. So we're gonna check on it in a few days and feel it out and stuff like that. But so far, just touching it, it's not too soft, really. It feels like a pillow. That's how it feels like. And it feels like it's gonna be very comfortable for me. I'm normally sleeping in a lot of hotels with comfortable beds. Some are not comfortable, so most of them are comfortable. So for me to sleep on a hard bed wasn't good for me. So that's why I didn't buy the IKEA mattress. But this I think will be perfect. So I'm gonna wait a few days, come back. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Good morning, people. So today is Sunday and I'm heading to the church. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. So this is what I'm wearing today. This top and the jeans. You can check it out on my website. I do have it in an extra small to a large. And I did do a review on this top a couple videos ago. You guys can check that out too. So I'm heading to church right now. I haven't eaten breakfast. I'm not a breakfast person, but normally when I go to church, I normally fast in the morning, and after church, and I get something to eat. So I'm just gonna bring a bottle of water, and it's very nice outside. It's not too hot, not too cold, so I like that. And I am late because right now it's 9:48 and church started at 10, and it's not that close to me, so I need to get ready. So I'll see you guys back after church. Guys, I woke up from a nap like an hour ago. I slept for like 6 hours. I was so exhausted. And come to find out, I just got some word that an airline crashed, Lion Airline, and it had 189 passengers on board. And normally when you hear about airlines that crash, it hits home because as flight attendants, we all connect. Like it's funny, no matter where you travel to, you may be traveling by yourself, and when another flight attendant know you're another flight attendant, is like you have a set of family, you know what I mean? So we all like as one a group or one all together. So it just hit home that 189 passengers was on that flight, and that flight crashed. And I'm just hoping that they can find the plane and find those bodies. And the crews, it's just devastating that it's like a lot of time people don't really hear of the U.S. carriers being crashed very often, but when you hear of it crashing like other countries or whatever, it's like, man. And this was due to weather. And I always tell passengers, when flight get canceled or flight gets delayed due to weather, they always complain. So for safety of the crew, the pilots, and everyone, and the passengers, they would rather cancel the flight or delay the flight for at least for the weather to get better. And a lot of people don't understand that. Yeah, the flight may be canceled or delayed, maybe just for you. So God could save your life because it wasn't your turn to go. And he said, you know what, let me cancel the flight. Let me delay the flight because it's not your turn. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of times people will be like, oh, it's always this, it's always that, whatever. There's no weather here, no weather there. And I'm like, and then during the time that we fly through the weather, and it feel like the plane is about to fall out of the sky, and you feel like the plane is cracking up, they're screaming. And I'm like, aren't you the ones that were complaining all along about they ain't no weather nowhere, but now you got weather, you there screaming, talking about you gonna die? I'm confused. So we delayed the flight to save your butt. And then we end up going, even though the weather got a little bit better, just a little bit better, but we still fly through the weather, but you're still feeling like it's crazy. Plane shaking, everything shaking, passengers screaming. And you're the one that was mainly complaining that you had a problem with the delay. So who have a problem now? Sometimes I be looking at them like, It's crazy because you see grown men are grabbing onto seat, grown men and women screaming for dear life, grabbing their kids like tomorrow, people grabbing their purses like the person's gonna help them save their life. Like, there are a lot of stories of things happening, and people don't understand that tomorrow's not promised to nobody. Like, tomorrow may be your day to go. You know what I mean? And a lot of times, and this is the one is my pet peeve right here. There's a situation, his mom, she was 9 months pregnant, past her due date, and she was flying on a 3-hour flight. And they called the doctors, and the doctor was like, nope, she ain't going. As soon as we kick her out the flight, guess what? Our water broke in the airport. Imagine if we had departed, her water would have broke in the air, and now we have to give birth to the baby. Like, why would you put your baby at risk? Like, why would you do that? Like, that's one of my pet peeves. I'm like, are you thinking about yourself or think about your child? Because you and the child could have died during birth. Why would you do that? That just made no sense to me. But anywho, that's the video. Anyway, I actually wanted to go to Popeyes. It's so funny because I wanted to go to Popeyes. So I'm going to take my butt. It's like 9 o'clock. I don't know why I waited that late to go to Popeyes. I'm going to take my butt to Popeyes and order me some chicken. And I haven't worked out in a while, and I need to work out. I didn't have much meal today, so I need to get my calories in. So I'm going to do Popeyes and probably do my Thickum shake, which is my shake to gain weight. So let me get on this road, because I don't like to leave my house when I'm at my home. Like, I don't know, I just feel like I need to do everything one time and then come home and don't leave my house. So I'm just gonna go Popeyes real quick and come back. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Right now, I am uploading some new items to my website, guys. Also, I'm adding some on eBay. I sell on eBay and Amazon. The thing is that I made the products cheaper on my website because I want people to come to my website. Because you tell you, eBay and Amazon, they charge a lot of fees, like a whole lot of fees. That I mean, I get it, but to me, it's like you just have to pay too much. While on my own website, I don't really have to pay much at all, and it's cheaper on my website. So, but still, I still sell on these. I sell on McCarty and Poshmark, Poshmark, Pinterest, Amazon, eBay, Instagram, and I think that's all I sell on. Wanilo, I believe it's called. Yeah, and I think that's it. But those are the platforms that I sell on. Oh, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the mattress that the one that I got from Walmart. So it's been the second day now. It's there, and it actually inflates like really good. So I'm waiting until tomorrow and see how it look tomorrow, and then I'll show you guys and I'll test it out. I'll lay on it and stuff like that. So I'm hoping it's really, it's good. All right, Popeyes is here. So we have the Cajun rice. Look how she looking. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, baby, yes. Then we have our chicken. Oh, look at her. She is so delicious. We got a wing, 2 thighs, spicy, yes, spicy. And then we have the dazzling mashed potato and the gravy, la la, yes. Then we have the biscuits with the honey. Oh, so good. I'm about to go in, y'all. I'm about to go in. This food give me joy. And I'm so sad I can't share with y'all, but I'm about to go in.